Good morning, children. Let's back our science class. Adaptation in animals. Many types of animals we discussed in the previous classes. Last class we discussed about the terrestrial animals living in mountains. Animals living in mountains. Once we will revise that. Just 2 minutes. Which animals live in the mountains? Yes. Yak, mountain sheep, mountain goat, reindeer. Those animals live in the mountains. Those animals had a thick long fur protect its body from to live in the mountains. That is one body feature, and these animals have a fat under its skin which gives a warmness to the animals because these mountains are too cool. That one feature, and these animals have a legs to run easily, to climb in the mountains, to climb the mountains. So all those features, these are reindeer, polar, it means reindeer, yak, mountain goat, mountain sheep, and the cheetah, mountain cheetah. These animals survive easily in the cool climate in mountains. Okay, that we discussed in the last class. Now, one more terrestrial animal. What is that animal? Yes, we completed in the very hot climate. We learned the deserts and mountains like a rocky and very cool. Now, we discuss one more topic. That topic is today we are going to learn animals living in the polar regions. Which what, children? Animals living in the polar regions. Animals living in polar regions. Okay, children? Now we will discuss polar regions. What is the polar region? Anytime, did you listen anytime? Polar. Listen, children. P-O-L-A-R, polar. R-E-G-I-O-N-S. We know very well about deserts, mountains, in the water, aquatic, because all these landforms we can see in our surroundings. But these polar regions we cannot see in our surroundings. Why we cannot see these regions in our surroundings? Because of that, our India, it is the southern India and the North India, it is a moderate climate. But these polar regions are totally entire the year, the climate is too cool. It means how is that? Entire is covered with ice. How is the polar region means? The polar regions are covered with ice. See, in our fridge, we see that take the ice cube from the freezer, deep freezer. Just keep it in your hand. Keep it in your hand. After 5 times, we cannot carry that ice because it's too cool and we cannot walk and we cannot stand easily on the snow, on the ice. But these polar regions are throughout the year, entire on the land and in the water, entire the region covered with ice. Covered with ice. Covered with ice. And snow throughout the year. Continuously throughout the year, snow falls the snow. Okay, so the polar regions have, these are covered with ice and falling the snow throughout the year. Then continuously falling the snow, how the animals can survive? You have it out now. See, the mountain animals had a special body features like a hooves, strong legs, and fur, thick fur, and fat body under the skin. Fat. Those are the features. Those animals live in the mountains. At the same, these are polar regions. It means too cooler than the mountains. These polar region mountains only, it's very cool. But these polar regions are more cooler than the mountains. It's too cool. It's covered with ice. Total covered with ice and always falling down falling the snow entire year. Entire year. That is the climate. And snow throughout the year. And which animals are live in the polar region? But continuously throughout the year snow falls. How the animals survive? Which animals are live in the polar region? Means polar bear. Animals such as polar bear. We see in our surroundings normal bear we can see. The bear is in the black in color. It's too heavy, means big in size. But this polar bear entirely different from the normal bear. That polar bear and which animals Arctic? Polar bear. Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes and seals. Penguins. You know children penguin? Yeah, it's a small animal. Lion and soon. So that penguin and these animals are found in the polar regions. Which animals? Polar bear, Arctic foxes, seals, penguins are found in the polar regions. Now we will discuss about the polar bear. What is it? So which animals is it? And remaining all these animals are live in the polar regions only. And what are the body features of these animals to live in these polar regions? Which are the special? What are the special body features? These animals survive. These animals survive. Let's see how animals are able to survive these extreme cold conditions. How the animals are survive. These animals are survive in the extremely cold climate. We will discuss now. Okay. Now, see that polar bear. We can see the polar bear in the North Polar or Arctic region. This polar bear, we find this animal, we find in the polar, North Polar side or the Arctic region. And penguins we find in the South Polar region or Antarctic region. We can find out these animals in that places. Okay children? So these polar bears, where we find? These polar bears we found in the North Pole of the Arctic region. And penguins we can find South Polar region and Antarctic region. So those are very far away from our India. Okay, we cannot see these animals in our surroundings. Now discuss how the polar bear survive in the polar regions. Which body parts? This is the polar bear. How beautiful, see that? How beautiful, see that? Yeah, see, it had a white fur. The polar bear had a white fur. See, the polar bear has a thick layer of fur. Did you see that? The polar bear has a thick layer of fur. Thick layer of fur cover its body, which protects from the cold. What are the features, children? Features of polar bear. What features are suitable to live these polar bear in the polar regions? Means these animals have a thick layer of fur. Thick layer of fur. Means see, fur means it is a what is that? Hair. Fur means it is we had our skin, very little bit of hair we will get. But these animals' skin had a thick layer of fur which protect from the ice. Makes it is too cool. So it is which protects from the cool. This body had a thick layer of fur to protect from the cold. To protect from the cold. And not only that, see how is the color? Ice means how it is? It is white in color. These polar regions also, that region, it's looking very beautiful. Why? Because entirely wherever you see, it looks like a white in color. How? Why? Because the snow always falling the snow. The snow it appears like a white in color. These polar bear also, see, this is the snow, and the bear also white in color. The fur of this polar bear had white in color. The white hollow fur traps the air inside them. The white fur traps the air inside them. That is also one of the feature. White fur. See children, the white fur, see this is a polar bear, beneath the hollow fur, it means this body had a fur, thick layer of fur, that thick layer of fur, white fur, traps the air inside them. White and white fur, the white fur, thick layer of white fur traps the air. Traps the air inside them. That is one of the feature. These polar bear live in the polar region, and not only the children. These bear had a thick layer of fatty skin. Thick layer of fatty skin under its beneath the fatty layer under its skin. Actually skin is there, like how the mountain animals had a fatty skin under fatty filled body under its skin. Same, at the same, this body had also polar region. Polar bear had also a thick fatty layer under its skin. This fatty layer also known as a blubber. What children? Blubber. B-L-U-B-B-E-R. Blubber. B-L-U-B-B-E-R. Thick layer of fat. See, it had a thick layer of fat under its skin. That thick layer of underskin is also known as a blubber. B-L-U-B-B-E-R. Blubber. Then what is the use of this fat? Yes, these blubbers gives a warmness to the polar bear. Gives a warmness to the polar bear. At the weight which is means fatty, means a heavy fatty food, fatty layer of blubber gives warmness, warm to the polar bear. Keep it warm. That is one of the feature. This polar bear survive in the polar region. And not only that, see children, this layer had this polar bear had also this unable to this bear body and these body features keep the bear warm and enable to exist very low temperatures because this region had full of cold climate. These body features are enable to climate. It means these body features are enable it to exist in very low temperatures. Very low temperatures. That is one of the feature. This polar bear survive in the polar region and 16 అయిందా ఇంకొక 5 minutes 5-6 minutes అవుతుంది. Okay, and that is one feature. And the next feature is these polar bear leg heads. These polar bears legs had a fatty, it means long stiff hair. These polar bears had a long stiff hair between the pads of the feet. Bear's feet. See, this is the feet of this animal. These had a long stiff hair between the pads of the bear's feet. Between the pads of the bear's stiff hair. The hair stiff hair. This polar bear had also a stiff hair between the pads of the feet. Where is it? Between the pads of the feet. How these animals had a feet? So these feet had a thick stiff hair. The hair is a stiff hair. The stiff hair protect the bear. The stiff hair of these animals had a pads of this stiff hair of these animals, stiff hair between the pads of the feet. This helps that this stiff hair helps the bear walk easily in the polar region. Walk easily in the very icy, ice and cold. How is it? The land also covered with ice. Here everything, total land, water, everything is covered with ice. So the stiff hair of these pads between the pads of the feet suitable to walk easily in the icy land. Icy land. Because of this stiff hair, these polar bear walk and run easily in the icy land. Icy land. And not only that, bear it can walk in the slippery. It means whenever you just touch it the ice, it is slippery. Jarpotundi. So here also the stiff hair protect this bear, means blubber, sir. It means that protect these feet of these bears easily to walk in the slippery ice. And not only that, it can swim easily also in the water. This body feature suitable to swim easily in the water too. So here the polar bear can swim easily too, because of this polar bear's feet had a what is that stiff hair. This polar bears see that long stiff hair between the pads of the bear's feet. It helps to walk on the slippery ice and swim in cold icy water. Swim in cold icy water. And not only the children, these polar bear had a good swimmer. Good swimmer. It can swim easily in the water. It can easily swim very fast in the water. It is a very good swimmer and it can swim very fast in the water. That is one feature. And the polar bear easily to swim in the water and catch the water animals in the water. because this polar bear is a omnivore. It can eat the sea animals like seals, some fish, and under the water. Whenever it swims in the water, it catches easily the seals under the water. That water, whenever the climate is a little bit of hot, in the summer season, the snow only melts. Actually, in every season throughout the year, ice only falling down. So in a summer season, very little bit of heat they get. In that heat, the snow only melts. Automatically what will happen, children? If the snow only melts, it becomes a water. Here also in the polar region, and sometimes it means in the summer season, the snow only melts, it becomes a water. That time these polar bears swim in the water and it catches the seals under the water and it can eat. It melts in the warm winter season, warm summer season, warmer months. That is one of the feature. These polar bears survive in the polar regions and during extremely cold. In winter season, it's too cool. During winter season, extremely cold months, these polar bear saves energy by sleeping. How it saves energy? It saves energy by sleeping roughly 18 hours. 18 to 22 hours. It can sleep 18 to 22 hours per day. It can sleep 18 to 22 hours per day to protect from to save its energy by sleeping. 18 to 22 hours per day it saves its energy. It's during extremely cold. And it can sleep continuously per day 18 to 22 hours. Why? Because it saves its energy. That is one of the features. These polar bears survive in the polar region. And not only that, children, this polar bear is the longest bear in the world. See, in our surroundings we can see the bears. Those are black in color and those are also bigger. But these polar bears are bigger than normal bears. It's too heavy, too height weight. It is more than this our surroundings bears. These are the very largest bear in the world. That is also one feature. And this polar bear, it is whatever it is the too heavy weight and too bigger, it has a very small tail. See, children, it has a very small tail. Animal is a very big animal, but it had a very small tail and it is a very good swimmer too. It can swim very fast and very easily in the water. Okay, so these are the special features of the polar bear to survive in the polar regions. Very cold climate. Now visit the thick layer of fur. And the fur is in the white in color. Sometimes the white fur is one of the another way to this polar bear had. It protect from the enemies also. The white fur is protect that animal from the enemies. Why? Because everyone thought it's not a animal, it's a ice. So because of the color of the polar bear protected from the enemies. White fur traps the air inside them. That is one of the feature in the polar bear, and it had a fatty layer under its skin. That fatty layer is known as blubber. B-L-U-B-B-E-R. Blubber keeps it warm. And it had a stiff hair between the pads of the feet. With the help of these big stiff hair, it can walk easily in the slippery ice. It can walk easily in the slippery ice and it can swim in the water in some of the hot season. Whenever the water melts, it swims easily in the water. Okay, these are the features of the polar bear survived in the polar region. Okay children, this is about animals living in the polar region. Next class we will discuss later.